The word equidistant is the clue. Now see the solution. How that word equidistant is very important. Let us see. So we have a point P which is xy. A point and B point are such that distance from P to A and distance from P to B are equal. So what does it mean? PA and PB, their distances are equal. पॉइंट P से A तक का डिस्टेंस और पॉइंट P से B तक का डिस्टेंस इक्वल है, then that P is called as equidistant. So using the concept of equidistant, and now we got the relation between the points. PA is the distance is same as the distance PB. Now we can use the formula which is distance formula. So what is the distance formula? Distance is equals to D is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A is a plus b comma b minus a and p is x comma y. We want to find out the distance PA. First we will find out the distance PA, then we will find out the distance PB, then we will equate together, and then afterwards required result as bx equal to ay. So we will proceed. That are the coordinates of, let x2 y2 be a and x1 y1 be p. So using distance formula, PA is equals to under root of x2 minus x1. So that is a plus b minus x whole square plus b minus a minus y whole square. A plus b minus x whole square plus b minus a minus y whole square. We will simplify this. A plus b the whole square minus 2 times a plus b times x plus x square plus b minus a whole square minus 2 times b minus a y plus y square. Here which identity we have used? We have used a minus b the whole square. What is the formula of a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now see, in the sum we started with the meaning of equidistant, then we came to the formula of distance formula, that is distance between 2 points. After that we are using the identity a minus b the whole square. So here do not make any type of mistake of sign as well as the putting the coordinates. So put the coordinates properly so that you will not make any type of errors. Now what is the coordinate of b? We have the coordinate of b as a minus b and a plus b. P is same, xy. So distance PB is equals to, again I will assume this is our x2 y2 and this is our x1 y1. So now we will apply the formula. Under root of, in the bracket, a minus b minus x whole square plus a plus b minus y whole square. x2 क्या है? a minus b. x1 क्या है? x. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we will simplify squaring both the sides. PB square is equals to, in the bracket, a minus b minus x whole square plus a plus b minus y whole square. Now we'll equate together. What we know? We know PA is equals to PB, which implies PA square is same as PB square. And now we will, and why we have done the square? Just to remove the square root sign. So PA square, so PA square is equals to a plus b the whole square minus 2 times a plus b into x plus x square plus b minus a the whole square minus 2 times b minus a times y plus y square, which is equal to the right hand side expression, that is pb square, a minus b the whole square minus 2 times a minus b times x plus x square plus a plus b the whole square minus 2 times a plus b times y plus y square. See, left hand side a plus b the whole square and right hand side also the a plus b the whole square. So they will cut. Then we are having b minus square on the left side and a minus b the whole square on the right side. So b minus a और a minus b का square करेंगे तो दोनों की value same, तो they can cut. Then x square also cut, y square also cut. Then what we remain with? अब x वाले terms x side ले लेते हैं, तो this is on a right side, so I will shift to left side. So 2 times a minus b times x minus 2 times a plus b times x is equals to, now this is on a right side, this is on a left side, so minus 2 times b minus a times y is on a left side, now I will shift to the right side. So 2 times b minus a times y minus 2 times a plus b times y. 2 will get cancelled throughout, so we remain with a minus b minus a plus b and taking x common on a left side, similarly y common on a right side. So what we get after simplification? A minus a cancels, so minus 2bx is equals to minus 2ay, which implies bx is equals to ay, and which is only asked to prove that. So here, very important, first step, understand the meaning of equidistant, use of distance formula, then right substitution, then important is cancelling out the left hand side terms and the right hand side terms which are equal, so they are going to cancel. After that, proper, without doing any type of error of sign, we are going to get the conclusion, that is bx equals to ay.